Hi, I'm Owen from Square Balloon, and today I'm going to talk you through how to use Google Fonts on your local computer and perhaps on some other services as well. So Google Fonts is a free font repository which has got lots and lots and lots of fonts on it that you could use on websites and stuff like that typically. But it's not always clear, but you can actually download all of them and use them on your own computer as well. So I'll just show you how to do that. This is Space Grotesque, which is one I'm going to use. First thing you do is you download the family. Once that's done, I'm going to right click on this and show in folder, and I'm going to expand the zip file, and I'm going to extract it into its own folder. Now that I have the folder, I'll go into that and not the zip file, and in this case I see that there's the TTF, which is the font file, true type font that stands for. I right click and then I click on install. I could install for all users if there are multiple users on the computer. In this case I'll just install it for myself, and there you have it. That's simple as that. These should be installed as well, but I just install them again just in case. Yep, they're already installed, so I won't bother doing it. It's installing a couple of them. Okay, so now if I go into Photoshop, what I'll do is I'll shut it down and restart it. And what you see is the font should be available to select, so we can now start creating our designs using the Google font. Just make that a normal size so you can see it. And now if I go in here, you'll see that the font is loaded. And there you have it. Now I've got Google Fonts on my local machine. Some tools like Canva allow you to upload fonts as well, so you might want to do that. What you need to be careful of is